la música de Harry Fraud.
Bird on a wire, my lifestyle's tight float. Try and spread my wings, walk through life on a tightrope. It's a fine line, cross it and get traumatized. Fuck with mine, I kill more than beats on a homicide, nigga.
Fuck these niggas, man, gon' get it, you feel me?
Raised in the 80s, 90s, smooth as fuck but grimy. On the block or at the youth center, that's where you find me. It goes to 9 Trey. Back in my day, niggas started flagging and slashing up on the subway. It was a bit traumatic, sudden and violent. And red bandanas got banished for random stabbings. It was sorta like a myth. Niggas would appear and do their business. Before you know, they vanish in the mist. Fast forward 9-6. 12 years old, getting dough, trying to buy chicks with my lunch money, kinda funny. But inside I wanna die, cause a little nigga learn how them girls in school lie. But my mind's on another level, stacking mentality. Dreams of being rich, but I'm back to reality. 9-8. A nigga changed his mind state. Fuck my first girl, fuck the world, that's what I say.
Stay true to the game. Fuck them lanes, keep it motherfucking G.